So I'm laying on the bed. I really want to lay down and watch TV comfortably, but I'm laying sideways on the bed because my grand dog took over. Sure did. And he doesn't want to get up. Every time I try to move him, he looks at me and he softly growls. Right, River? Yeah. Yeah, leave me alone. Look at this dog. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You took over my bed. That's alright. Yeah? Is that how you feel? Took over my bed? Oh, stretch. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Are you going to get up so I can lay down? Oh, you in a huff. I see. I guess that means no. Then my other doggy is laying passed out on the bed. How big she got. Very tired and relaxing. I guess this is what a hard day of work looks like. She's everywhere. She heard the water go on. She knows I'm going to take a bath, and now she's in here too. Came out after I took a shower. I thought I'd be able to lay down. But he decided that he would lay how I'm laying. But he ain't going to get out of my spot. You want to get out of my spot? So I can lay down? Can I lay down in my spot? Get up. Oh, you want to ignore me? Is that how that works? Just gonna ignore me? You want to get out of my spot? Huh? Come on, get out of my spot. Yep. I guess not. I guess I'll be waiting until he has to get up to eat or something before I could sneak back in my spot. So, and this one wants to get on the bed too. Yeah. Dogs, gotta love them.